Family Homes and eXp Realty here, and boy am I excited. Today I am showcasing this beautiful raised bungalow behind me. We are in Clareview. As a matter of fact, this is 51 Clareview Road. I can't wait to show it to you. You are going to be blown away about the value you're going to get in this home. Now let's go in and have a look. So, welcome indoors. Let's go in and check out this upper level of this beautiful bi-level. As you can tell, this property is move-in ready, and everything here has been upgraded, including the hardwood floors. There's plenty of space over here. There's living room, the eat-in kitchen. Check out this kitchen. It has beautiful custom white cabinetry along with granite counters. Now down the hall, you will see there is a rear entrance to the backyard, as well as a full bathroom, 2 bedrooms. And then downstairs, I have a surprise for you. There's a lot more to see yet. So go ahead and explore. Okay, now that you've had a chance to explore the upper level up here, what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful property? So now that you had a chance to have a look upstairs here, what did you think? Don't you think this... So now that you've had a chance to explore upstairs, we're not done. There's still more to see downstairs in the basement. By the way, while you were exploring up here, did you notice all the upgraded windows upstairs? Everywhere you've got the upgraded windows throughout. Now, without further ado, let's go downstairs and explore all the additional space down there. Come on down, follow me into the family room down here. Check out this space. Isn't it just enormous? Just imagine family movie night down here. There's even a little wet bar behind you. Of course, this is a bi-level, so you have full-size windows that are completely above grade. Doesn't feel like a dingy basement of some of those older bungalows. Now, further down the hall here, we've got 2 more bedrooms, another full bathroom, a laundry room, lots of additional storage. You have all the space you need, and as you can tell, everything's been upgraded. And again, these bedroom windows. And again, just like in the family room, these bedroom windows are completely above grade, so you have lots of natural light, natural sunshine. And just like in the family room, in the bedrooms, we also have large windows, completely above grade, so that way you get a ton of natural light flooding into the bedrooms. By the way, an extra little bonus right in this bedroom, check it out. There is a built-in safe. That safe is actually built right into the floor, so that's a little bonus for you. What did you think? Isn't this just an absolutely amazing property? Thanks very much for taking... Let's try that again. So what did you think? Isn't this just an absolutely amazing property? Thanks very much for watching it all the way to the end. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call. Of course, all the information will be in our website. If you have any questions whatsoever, why am I saying that again? What did you think? Isn't this just an amazing property? You know what? You too could be enjoying the patio out here in the south-facing backyard. Thanks very much for watching the video all the way to the end. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call. Reach out by calling via our phone or take a look at that website link below. All the information's there. Now remember, always share the video. You never know. This might be the perfect property for one of your friends.